Welcome to another technology review, where we explore the latest tech gadgets and gear. Today, we're diving into a product I've been eagerly waiting to unbox, the RayQ docking station for the 2024 Mac Mini M4. This compact accessory promises to elevate the Mac Mini experience by offering additional functionality and versatility. Let's see if it delivers on those promises. Unboxing and first impressions. The packaging is sleek and minimal, typical of modern tech accessories. Inside, the box reveals the docking station itself, crafted from durable cast aluminum, a USB-A to USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-C cable, and a screwdriver for installation, a set of screws, and a detailed connection diagram in English and Chinese. The dock has a premium look and feel, thanks to its aluminum construction. At first glance, it's clear this isn't just another plastic hub. It's built to complement the Mac Mini's aesthetic while functioning as a cooling stand. Ports and features. On the back, the dock offers a USB-C port for power, optional 5V3A supply, a 3.5mm audio jack, USB 3.0 ports with 5 gigabits per second speeds, an HDMI port supporting 4K at 60 Hz. The main docking port. On the front, you'll find a USB 3.0 port with 5 gigabits per second speed, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 port, 10 gigabits per second, another USB-C port, 10 gigabits per second, 2 card slots, SD and microSD, which are neatly labeled, a small but appreciated detail. Underneath the dock is space to install an M.2 NVMe SSD, expanding your storage while maintaining the sleek form factor. Installation and SSD setup. Installing an SSD is straightforward. After removing the bottom plate, you can easily secure the SSD in place. For testing, I used a Lexar NQ79 2TB NVMe SSD, which offers theoretical speeds of 6,000 to 7,000 megabits per second. Speed test comparison. Using the Blackmagic speed test, I compared the RayQ dock with my existing Ugreen SSD enclosure. Ugreen SSD enclosure. Write 970 Mbps. Read 870 Mbps. RayQ dock. Write 960 Mbps. Read 845 Mbps. While the RayQ dock is slightly slower, the difference is negligible for most real-world applications. Wi-Fi interference test. One common issue with USB hubs for the Mac Mini is interference with Wi-Fi signals. Thankfully, the RayQ dock passes this test with flying colors. During extensive use, I experienced no degradation in Wi-Fi performance, a huge relief for those who rely on stable connectivity. Pros and cons of the RayQ dock. What I liked. Port variety. The dock offers a good mix of USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and card reader ports. Aesthetic design. The aluminum build complements the Mac Mini perfectly while doubling as a cooling stand. M.2 NVMe SSD slot. This feature is a game-changer for users needing additional storage. Wi-Fi compatibility. No signal interference ensures seamless use in any setup. What could be better? Front port placement. While the front-facing ports are convenient, they can clutter your desk with visible cables. A more discreet design with most ports at the back would be preferable. Lack of Thunderbolt support. For a price tag of around $100, Thunderbolt 3 speeds would have been ideal. No on-off switch enhancement. Unlike some competitors, the RayQ dock doesn't address the inconvenient placement of the Mac Mini's power button. Real-world use cases. The RayQ dock proves to be a versatile addition to the Mac Mini M4, especially for content creators, professionals, and tech enthusiasts. Whether you need extra ports for peripherals, expanded storage, or a tidy workstation, this dock delivers value. However, if you require Thunderbolt 3 or higher speeds for high-performance tasks, this dock might fall short of expectations. Verdict. Should you buy it? At the end of the day, the RayQ docking station for the Mac Mini M4 is a well-rounded product that enhances the Mac Mini's usability without breaking the bank. While it has a few shortcomings, such as the lack of Thunderbolt speeds and the front-facing port placement, it remains one of the best options available in its price range. With its combination of functionality, design, and affordability, The RayQ dock is a solid choice for most Mac Mini M4 users. Final thoughts. The Mac Mini M4 is a powerhouse in a tiny form factor, and the RayQ dock takes it to the next level. It's not perfect, but for $100, it's hard to beat the added convenience and features it brings to the table. If you're considering an upgrade to your setup, this dock is worth a closer look. Thank you for joining me for this review on Technology Review. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave your questions in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.